Here I've got NUBIA Z17 Lite, and let me show you all the secret codes that can be used on this device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, and let me start with the first code, which is *pound, 06 pound. And as you can see here, you can come along with unique numbers assigned to your device as IMEI number. Click on OK to go back. That would be all for this first pretty short code. And the second one is *pound, *pound, 225, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here we've got the calendar info. So smoothly by entering this code, you can come along with all celebrations, events that you can include it in both Google Calendar and also your device's internal storage. So from now on, you will not forget about any important date. Let me go back. This is it. And now it's time for the third code, and it is *pound, *pound, 4636, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And this is the diagnostic mode, so here you can come along with phone information, user statistics and Wi-Fi information. So let me show you, for example, Wi-Fi info. Here you can come along with Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration and also Wi-Fi status. So if, for example, you would like to check the current status of your Wi-Fi, just click on Wi-Fi status and here smoothly refresh it, and then it will be here. You can also run a ping test here, just click on run ping test and below you've got the answer. So let me go back. That would be all for this code, and time for another code. This one is *pound, *pound, 426, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And now we are in diagnostic mode. Here you can check events and pings, smoothly enter this code and then come along with the details. And the last code is pretty similar. It's *pound, *pound, 759, pound *9, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And as you can see here, we are in the back menu. So now we can check brand code, unique device ID, activation event sent, next alarm, current backoff, enabled services and many other useful info. Then you can also come along with pings, events and also come along with client ID. So this is it. These are all secret codes that you can use in your NUBIA. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.